Today I will show you how to connect Google AI Studio to Stripe. First, make sure you have a Google account for Google AI Studio and a Stripe account. You also need a Zapier account. First, open your browser and go to Zapier's official website. Once logged into Zapier, click on Create Workflow or Make a Zap. The first step is to choose a trigger. A trigger is an event in Stripe that will start your automation. You can select options like New Customer, New Charge, or Payment Succeeded. Zapier will listen for that event in your Stripe account. Next, set up the action. The action is what happens after the trigger. Choose Google AI Studio as the app for the action. You can, for example, send a prompt to AI Studio to create an invoice text, a payment confirmation message, or other customer-related content. Set up the prompt and choose the AI model you want to use. Zapier will automatically pass the data from Stripe into Google AI Studio. After setting up the workflow, test it. Perform a test payment or create a test customer in Stripe and check that Google AI Studio receives the information and produces the correct output. Make sure everything works smoothly before relying on it for real payments. Thanks for watching.